What if I told you the United States was not born in freedom, but in struggle, division, and rebellion? This is not just history. This is a story of survival and transformation.
In the 1770s, 13 colonies lived under British rule. They were taxed, controlled, and ignored. No voice, no power, no freedom. But something changed. Ordinary people, farmers, workers, thinkers, began to question authority. And in 1776, everything shifted. A declaration was signed. Not just ink on paper, but a bold statement to the world. We choose freedom. War followed. Pain followed. Sacrifice followed. But in the end, a new nation was born.
But freedom wasn't equal. Not for everyone. While some celebrated liberty, millions remained in chains. The country was divided, north versus south, different beliefs, different futures. And in 1861, the nation broke into war. Brother against brother, state against state. It was brutal. It was devastating. But from that darkness came change. Slavery was abolished. Yet, equality was still far away. Decades passed, but injustice remained. Then came voices that refused to stay silent. In the 20th century, people marched. They protested. They demanded change. Not with weapons, but with courage. The civil rights movement reshaped the nation. Laws began to change. Hearts began to change. Slowly, painfully, progress moved forward.
At the same time, the United States grew. Industries expanded. Cities rose. Technology evolved. From world wars to the space race, America became a global force. But its true strength was never just power. It was resilience.
Because this story is not perfect. It's filled with mistakes, sangharsh, hope, and that's what makes it real. The history of the United States is not just about the past. It's about the constant fight to become something better.